Hey everyone, this is Mike from Mike's Do It Yourself. Today I want to show you how to change out the slats on your side gate or just any gate. Now what I have here is a regular wood slat and these are composite slats. And so the key to doing this, there's not a whole lot of measuring that you have to do just to make sure you get a long enough slat. But when you take out one specific slat, like I have taken out this middle one here, you want to line it up with your other composite slat. And then of course you determine whether you need a little extra or you don't up at the top. Now the bottom you need to have exact because it's going to sit right in that groove. So what you'll do, you have the composite one underneath. And then if you have some furniture grips or quick grips, you can use those to line everything up. And on this slat, I determined that I could do a little bit up at the top. I could add a little bit extra up at the top. So the reason that you're doing each individual slat is because the holes don't line up exactly on every slat. So this hole over here may be a little off-centered from this hole, and then this hole may be a little off-centered from this hole. So it's real important to do this for each individual slat. So once you feel like you got your slat lined up with your composite slat, you can go ahead and make a mark up at the top or at the bottom, whichever side you're cutting. And I know I want to leave, or I want to add a little bit to this, so I will do that. So this will be the top, and then you can go ahead and drill your holes. Now if you have a little bit of warpage in your board itself, you want to try to get it as straight as you can when you drill the holes. And then you can use a table saw, circular saw, whatever you have. You can go ahead and cut right there. When you're screwing in the holes, make sure that the holes are clear. That way it lays flush against the metal. Now here's the finished product. Now the hardest part of this was the warp boards, just to try to keep them straight, because when they are warped a little bit, the holes don't always line up. Now for this last piece, I cut it at 1 inch all the way down. And it fit in there really tight, so I think I'm going to trim a little bit on the bottom here, just to make sure that it doesn't buckle at all. But that's it. Well, I hope this has been helpful. This has been Mike from Mike's Do It Yourself. Good luck on your next home automotive project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment.